GM guys, and welcome. Market is heating up. The Bitcoin dominance is dropping. We are in front of the biggest altcoin season ever. So start paying attention to the market, and time to take risks is now. Today, I'll share with you some projects which have the potential to 10x up to 20x on your investment. Let's dive in. What's happening? We are seeing the Bitcoin dominance dropping heavily. As I have been speaking about it, the charts are speaking for itself. We are seeing a big drop, which means the money is flowing from Bitcoin to altcoins. That's right. So the bounce of the 66% levels marked here on the chart, there's a yellow zone which would be acting as resistance. We are seeing massive inflows in the ETFs into Ethereum. We are seeing companies buying and adding to their strategic reserves their altcoins. They want to grab all the Ethereum which is possible. And if you know, after Ethereum go the altcoins, especially the altcoins on the ETH chain, the ETH ecosystem. So I'm here to help you out, to point you in the direction which I personally think with the altcoins which are relatively safe bets and can give in massive returns. So just look on the Ethereum chart which you see on the screen. Exactly as I predicted, we are currently at the top range and the buying pressure is insane. Everyone wants more Ethereum, and all of this money will trickle down into the on-chain altcoins. Yeah, mainly the on-chain altcoins. Now we're seeing big caps pumping, but Ethereum is a very high probability of Ethereum reaching 5,500 in the next couple of months. Some are even giving targets for 10K, which I think could be possible, but let's not get carried away at this stage and take it level by level. So now we are currently at the resistance of $4,000. If we break the resistance, we can move on to the all-time high levels, which are almost under 5,000 USD. Okay? And the magic will happen then. So let's see which altcoins now can start mooning. Number one, NKPay, non-Kyoto Protocol. NKPay is a unique project in itself because it's addressing the carbon credits problem. Currently trading at around 21 million of fully diluted valuation, which will most likely not be unlocked until 6 or 7 years. The current circulating market cap is 7 million. So it's still pretty much a low cap, and I can see this moving to 100 million market cap in circulating value, which means around 13x from the current pricing. Token is tradable on Ethereum network. It's not on any centralized exchange yet. It has a 5% tax, so keep that in mind when you buy it. It's not for a short-term trade. You want to buy DCA, buy if it drops, and then sell in a couple of months when it will gain value. Let's dive into the website. This is their website. It gives a great explanation on what this company is doing. It's a registered company. The team members are docs, so they're showing their faces, they're showing their LinkedIns. They're real people who are changing the game. Okay, transforming markets, real assets, diversified portfolio. So these guys are taking care of the carbon credits. They're issuing the carbon credits to companies who are not carbon positive, and they need to buy these carbon credits, while NKPay is taking care of the forests. So this is the non-Kyoto Protocol. Takes a fundamentally different approach rather than relying on top-down mandates. They connect verified real-world assets to open blockchain infrastructure, allowing anyone to participate in impact investing. So this is impact investing. This is the narrative of eco-friendly. It's the narrative of carbon credits, and it's a great opportunity to take a deep dive in their white paper. So they have tons of points here why there's value in investing in NKPay. I see the carbon credits as a big narrative, which will probably be worth trillions of dollars in the coming years. And there's no one quite yet positioning in front of them. So they are the first mover, they're the biggest mover, and currently quite under the radar yet. People are not yet crazy about it because they don't know about the potential. But I've already made a deep dive. I made a deep dive and I see the massive scale. So I've been reading Shiro's newsletter here, and he gave a great breakdown also on NKPay. He also sees it as a great potential, one of the good content creators, a regenerative cash flow engine built on forest, waste plants, and carbon credits, operating in Midori Earth. Okay, this is a real team, real people, and it's a long-term project, and they will be probably investing a lot more than they gain from the taxes, because this is a long-term operation. Their tokenomics are very bullish because 30% of the revenue goes into token buybacks. So that impacts the long-term growth, and it creates deflationary tokenomics because of the burns. Bullish. Let's dive into the next one. Vertical AI, Vertai. You might have heard about this one. Currently 830 position in coin market cap or CoinGecko. Fully diluted valuation 45 million, but actually it's 25 million. I don't know why CoinGecko is showing this. My supply is locked. Let's take a look into the website to get more information. So Vertai's website, very bullish. As you can see, they are doing a full no-code studio platform for also model fine-tuning AI models. So AI is the hot narrative right now. Everyone is investing in AI. Vertical is one of the projects which you want to have in your portfolio with a 10x potential, currently 22 million to 120 million on the cards. So make sure to check out their projects. The main value proposition is no-code AI magic. So building software, improving AI models without knowledge of coding skills. You'll just get the models to your needs, tailored to your needs. They also have a marketplace where you can trade these models, you can exchange them, you can earn money on fine-tuning the models, and they have all been doxed. So the team is doxed. There's also a low risk on this project. They don't have any tax. They dropped the tax, and they're planning to list on big exchanges such as Bybit. So you can take your entry before this happens. Vertical AI, Vertai is the ticker. Moving on, I've already been speaking about this one, OpenServe. I still think OpenServe is one of the top AI projects right now, trading on Ethereum. Very bullish, fully diluted valuation, 39 million, potential 400 million, I think is doable in fully diluted valuation. Their market cap is only 27 million, so a lot of room to grow. Remember guys, once Ethereum starts mooning, people are going to look for different opportunities. Altcoins are going to want to convert their Ethereum to earn more and more money on their alts. So OpenServe, Vertai, NKPay, these are alts which you want to position in and wait for the boom, because institutions and retail are going to be looking for opportunities. Where can I allocate my money to get 10x, 20x? These are the opportunities which are happening now, and it's time to take action. So OpenServe is a platform which allows you to build your own apps, agentic apps. So they're AI agents, which are basically decentralized applications, and they can be specialized in any tasks you want them to do based on AI. Data agent analyze activity and distribute payouts. So they also have integrated blockchain integration, paying, getting paid, transferring funds, and everything is doing. They also can generate revenue. So if you build your own agent, you can sell it, or you can have a revenue fee, which you get back to yourself for creating the agent and getting it integrated in different platforms. 2.5K sales reps in our community ready to sell your dApp. So it's just up to you to create. If you're if you're a specialist in AI, you should take action and build. Moving on, Liquid Agent. Liquid Agent, very bullish. I think this is the lowest market cap token, which I'm talking about today. Also AI friendly, fully doxed team, and they are also meeting the stablecoin narrative. Human language will be used to do anything on chain. So imagine you have a assistant, AI assistant, who you will just be writing to, speaking to, and he will be taking care of your on-chain, of your crypto funds. So you'll just be say, hey, I want to buy $1,000 of Bitcoin every other day of the week and sell 75% when one Bitcoin is worth 150,000. He's going to do it all for you. He's going to find the best platforms. He's going to manage your finances. He's going to give you information. He's going to send you back the information. So this will be your best assistant, and all through natural language. So you will be using some terms which can be used as crypto slang. So ape. You want to ape in shitcoin. Okay, let's ape in. Boom, Liquid Agent doing this for you. On top of that, which is very bullish, they are creating a stable coin. So there's a stable coin narrative going now with crypto, with the CBDC, with Trump office, and actually Liquid Agent is focusing on the stable coins which they will want to create in their ecosystem. So make sure to follow a Liquid Agent, because these guys are also doxed. As you see, they have a big team, they have an advisor, all of them have their LinkedIns, and this is another project which I'm very bullish on, and I expect this to move rapidly. Currently only 4.5 million circulating market cap with fully diluted valuation 13 million. I see 10x potential or even 20x on this project. So make sure to lock in and dive deeper. The last but not the least is a meme coin for you guys, because memes are also going crazy, and one meme which is deeply rooted in the Ethereum ecosystem is Kokoro. And why Kokoro? Kokoro has great potential. It's from the Doge family. If you know Dogecoin, which Elon Musk was supporting, Kokoro here is actually in their family the first black and white Shiba adopted by Kabuso Mama. So that's the lady who was the owner of Doge, and the other dogs such as Nero. And Kokoro was the first black and white one, only trading at 17 million, while Nero hit 1 billion market cap. Still listings to go. It's a community takeover, and this is why it's also bullish, because the community is very strong. They're raiding all the time, they're spreading the word. That's what makes the meme coin a success, a good community. And the narrative, the lore is very strong, because it's related. As you see, Kabuso is dead here, here is Nero, and Kokoro is in the middle, black and white. You can see the storyline. It's a rescue dog, but her journey is hopeful, and she has been adopted. So the graphics are very beautiful. The team has been doing a great work, and I truly think that we can see 100 million, if not 200 million market cap on Kokoro. So if you want to make money, if you want to win in the market, it's time to get up to date and start investing, start betting, start learning. If you want to get the best bets, join my Telegram channel and start playing with me. We got the 10x a few days ago, and we're going to get another big win. So register with the Sigma bot. I'll see you next time. Peace.